Hello everyone. Today I will share with you habit number 3 for success. So let's begin. The habit I am going to give you today is very important. If you do not have this habit in your life, you will never be successful. So you need to learn to master this skill. It is very hard, but once you learn, you will be successful. It's very difficult. Even I also struggle so many years to learn this habit, and still I am learning. Out of 100 only 2% people are successful because they only master this habit. 98% people get failed. Why? Because they do not use this habit. They don't have skill to learn this habit. They do not follow this habit. And the habit is consistency. What Tony Robbins says, it's not what we do once that shapes our life, it is consistency. I know it's very difficult to start new habit or change old behavior. So today I will give you 3 specific suggestions. It will help you to develop consistency in your life. So let's begin. So number 1 is start small. It means any habit you are starting, anything you want to do, like you want to make your habit, start with small habits. I will give you simple example. So when you go to restaurant, when you check the menu, you like all the item, right? You want to eat everything. But what you do, you start with starter, right? Small item. You eat that and then you order main course, right? And then you go slowly, step by step, and then you order the rest food, right? But imagine if you order main course first, do you think can you able to eat starter after that? No, you can't eat because you will be full after that. Same way, you need to start with small habit in your life. Just make a little beginning and follow that path. Whenever someone start new habit, they always think about perfection. For example, when you want to start your YouTube channel, you will always think about how I am gonna look. I need to be perfect. I need to be everything okay. I need to speak properly. My script should be fine. My topic should be fine. My thumbnail should be fine. My music should be fine. And eventually, the race of perfection, they will not start the channel. In my channel, I also make lots of mistakes. I know that I'm not perfect. My pronunciation, some words are not good. I make lots of mistakes in my video. My music sometimes are terrible. My editing skill is, I'm still learning, it's not good, right? But still, I do not wait for perfection. I just upload the video. I just think what I wanted to say to people and it's clear. If people can understand, that's it. I upload the video. Perfection often sometimes leads to failure. So quit waiting for perfection, just do it. Consistency doesn't pick up right away. You can take your time and after that it will automatically set up your pace. So start with small things and take one at a time. Take slowly one habit. You don't need to do everything all together. You don't want to be successful overnight. It will take time. So number 2 is add habit in your routine. Whenever we wake up in the morning, we brush our teeth, we take shower, we take breakfast, and we do regular things automatically, right? We don't think about that. Because when we grow, our parents, our family member taught us regular habits and the rituals what we do every morning, during our day as well. Same like that, you need to add habit in your routines. So it will be difficult in the beginning to start any habit, but you need to add habit in your daily routine, and once you are used to with that, it will go consistently. For example, you need to make exercise as a daily routine. You don't need to decide like I'm going to exercise 6 days a week. No, you will do 3-4 days and you will be like, no, I'm tired, I don't want to do it. You need to decide like I'm going to start with 2 days or 3 days at a time. I will start with stretching, running, walking, and then slowly you can increase your days. And when you do regularly, it will be part of your routine. So you need to make habit part of your routine. So it will help you to be consistent daily. So you can add new habit like meditation, drinking more water, watching good videos, meeting new people, doing exercise, reading books, like different kind of habit you can add in your routine. And once you do every day, it will be consistently and you will be successful. So how you will make this habit in your routine, right? It's not like you will say and it will be in your routine, right? So I'll give you the third point. It will help you to make that habit in your routine. So third point is 30 days challenge. So what you need to do, any habit you want to start, it will be very easy to start. If you watch my last video, I said take action, right? Taking action is very easy, but to do consistently is very hard, right? Consistent hard work leads to success. So you need to be honest with yourself and ask, why are you going to start this habit? You need to write down what is the purpose to start this habit. You need to be clear with yourself, so it will be easier for you to follow that habit and it will be a part of your life, right? You need to ask why I am starting this habit, why I want to make this habit part of my life. So whenever you start any new habit, one thing I will tell you, you need to ignore your feelings. Sometimes we love to do some stuff, but after some 3-4 days or 10 days, you will be like, I don't want to do that, I'm tired, I'm lazy, I don't want to do exercise. So your heart will say no to you, right? Don't do it. So that's why ignore your feelings and decide yourself that I'm going to start this habit and I'm going to do that for 30 days anyhow. You need to tell your mind that I'm going to do for at least 30 days. Then you will see the difference. And after 30 days, if you don't see different, if it doesn't help you, it doesn't add any value, you can change that habit, right? So you can start new habit or you can stop that habit if you don't see any difference. You can also make calendar, write 30 days. You can also follow every day and see if you are doing it or not. Before researcher says it will take 21 days to build any habit. But now the new latest research says it will take 66 days to build any habits. So it's almost 2 months. So it's not easy, I know, but you need to start with at least 30 days, follow 30 days and see if it helps you or not. And if you do for 30 days, then you will realize that it is helping you, so you can do consistently in the future. When you do any habit for 30 days, then it becomes part of your routine. So it will automatically, you will do that. And if you don't see any value, you can quit that habit. But over time, mini rituals switch to autopilot mode. It means you don't need to give any second thought. It will be part of your routine. It's like you are taking shower without thinking, right? It is part of your routine. Same like that, the new habit will be part of your routine. So you have to be consistent. Consistent is the key. Whether it is a good or bad, but when you do something often, it will be part of your habit. So choose your habit wisely. So friends, learn this habit, keep this habit in your mind and try to do it every day. It will help you to be successful. It will help you to reach your goals, and without this, you will not get success. So that's why stay on your game, keep going for your dreams.